Hello, if you're looking to create a successful staffing company, then you've come to the right place. My name is Greg DeGarian, and I'm CEO of Tempworks Software. And we have a program called Tempworks Venture that allows you to get rid of your non-revenue generating staff, provide you with the funding you need to grow, and also provide you with the best software and workforce management tools for you and your customers. Now, the idea of Tempworks actually dates way back to the late 1950s when my father invented various mechanical search and retrieval processes for recruiting engineers. He since went on to found Manpower's technical division and later started his own staffing company where he and I built, on one of the original microcomputers, a pay bill system. I saw the joy he had in creating his company and would like to extend that dream to you. He and I developed software systems on the early microcomputers to help manage a staffing company, and we've grown that ever since into the Tempworks offering that I'm going to share with you today. If you like what you see in the clips that follow, I'd like to invite you to try a free 30-day trial by calling Tempworks at 1-651-452-0366. Now, there are literally hundreds of different software products that will help you manage some aspect of the staffing process. But what makes Tempworks unique is all this happens on a single enterprise database that has been certified by Microsoft, and in fact that Microsoft demonstrates at its user conferences in order to show how friendly business software can be. Now, staffing is all about finding that perfect candidate for your client. Notice how you can drill down into the detail and find out very quickly what a candidate's background is. Now, having the email integrated with Tempworks Enterprise allows me to do things very quickly. For example, here I have an email from a candidate. I parse his resume into my database, and from there I'm able to view it. I'm able to look at it either from a one-page view or a three-page view. I can zoom in, zoom out, with the idea of finding as much out as I can about the candidate and placing them in the ideal job. Now, nothing can kill the productivity of a staffing salesperson faster than having them sit behind a PC. And for that reason, we created these mobile applications which allow salespeople, while they're on the road, to use the same database as the people back in the servicing offices. They can see if there were any service problems, or they can look up a client, find out their address, or even use Google Street Views to get a street view of where the client's location is. I use this all the time in my travel. Now, all the technology in the world has no importance unless it works for you, and that's why I'd like to invite you to a 30-day free trial. Please call us at 651-452-0366 to set up the free trial or to get a full-length demo, which would include things like our integrated job board, time clock system, paperless intake processes, and more. This has been Greg DeGarian with Tempworks Software. Thank you very much.